Installing and activating a HOLASIM eSIM on your Motorola is really simple. Remember to install your eSIM a few hours before your trip, and only activate it once you arrive at your destination. Once you have made your purchase on our website, we will send you an email with everything you need to know to complete this process. Now, let's get started. Grab your phone. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection, such as Wi-Fi or mobile data. Go to Settings and then Network and Internet. Once there, look for Mobile Network to find the installation options for your eSIM. Select Add eSIM, then select Set up an eSIM to start the installation process for your new mobile plan. Here, you have two options: Install with a QR code or Install manually. To install with a QR code, you must have access to the code we sent you by email, either on another device or saved in your gallery. Position the QR code in the box shown on screen. Wait a few seconds for your new mobile plan to be identified. If you don't have the QR code on another device or saved in your gallery, you can carry out the installation manually. On the same screen, tap Enter Activation Code below the box. Copy and paste the manual installation code for Android that we emailed you. Tap OK and wait a few seconds. Once the plan has been identified, tap Next, then Set Up to add it to your device. If you want to rename your eSIM, tap your new plan and select the Edit icon in the top right corner. We recommend naming it something like HOLASIM plus your destination. Congrats! You've successfully installed your eSIM. Already arrived at your destination? Then it's time to activate your eSIM. Go back to Settings, then Network and Internet, and finally, go to Mobile Network. Select the HOLASIM eSIM, press Use SIM, and allow data roaming option to enable your eSIM. If your plan includes calls, press Calls and select HOLASIM as your default line for making and receiving calls. We then recommend deactivating your primary SIM. This will prevent additional roaming charges on your bill. And that's it! Your HOLASIM eSIM is now active. Connected again. Let's go. If you need help, our customer support team is available 24/7 via chat. We're here to keep you connected wherever you go. Hola world, HOLASIM.